Sahih Al-Bukhari 3196, narrated Salim's father radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, any person who takes a piece of land unjustly will sink down the seven earth on the day of resurrection. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3197, narrated Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the division of time has turned to its original form, which was current when Allah created the heavens and the earth. The year is of 12 months, out of which 4 months are sacred, 3 are in succession, Dhul-Qa'dah, Dhul-Hajjah and Muharram, and the 4th is Rajab of the tribe of Mudar, which comes between Jamad al-Saniya and Shaban. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3198, narrated Said bin Zaid bin Amr bin Nufail radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that Arwa sued him before Marwan for a right which she claimed he had deprived her of. On that, Said radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, how should I deprive her of her right? I testify that I heard Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam saying, if anyone takes a span of land unjustly, his neck will be encircled with it down 7 earths on the day of resurrection. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3199, narrated Abu Zar radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me at sunset, do you know where the sun goes at the time of sunset? I replied, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle know better. He said, it goes, it travels till it prostrates itself underneath the throne and takes the permission to rise again, and it is permitted, and then a time will come when it will be about to prostrate itself, but its prostration will not be accepted, and it will ask permission to go on its course, but it will not be permitted, but it will be ordered to return whence it has come, and so it will rise in the west. And that is interpretation of the statement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the sunrise, its fixed course for a term decreed, that is the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, accelerated in might, the all-knowing. 36.38, Sahih Al-Bukhari 3200, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the sun and the moon will be folded up, deprived of their light on the day of resurrection. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.